I'm about to make some windlace for this 49 Chevrolet. I've already got this pre-sewn up. I already made this one. I put a little piece of suede in it for right around the dash. Here's my bead, go down below the dash, and then the rest of it staple in and tuck. And then here's this part. Alright, I got the windlace in, driver's side. I replaced a little bit of the tack strips on this side. I'll show you what I'm doing on the other side. Figured this would be a good time. These are the last couple of staples right here. And after this, we can install the headliner.